It's day 3 and the competition is now approaching the finals, or at least the playoff stage. So it's only natural that emotions are becoming more and more intense. There's more clapping and more cheering, but also more tears and more sad faces on the fields. After all, this is also about winning, but even the players who lost will have lots of good memories to take away from Iber Cup. After hundreds of games and many more hundreds of goals, the best teams keep moving forward. In the Under-9 category, the quarterfinals brought a very tight duel between Next Generation, an American team, and Fortuna Minsk from Belarus. The Belarusians won 3-2. The battle between Spaniards, Malaga versus Real Federación, was easily solved by the local Malagueños. 5-0 was the final score. Our pick of the day was available also online. Sport in Portugal was simply too much for the Yokohama Marinos squad. At the same time, Juventus was facing a club from Greater Orlando, Goza Academy. The Italians showed their strength, and one in particular, Héritier, aka Harry, impressed the public with his many skills and his raw power. But there's more than goals and players in a football match. The referees are often as important as the players themselves, and just like them, have a few challenges to overcome in the Iber Cup.
The football is a lot better how it's played. A lot of it's played on the floor, and it's quite attractive football to watch. And referee.
Well, what else is good is that everyone's come from around the world, really. You see Mexicans here, people from South America. You know, I won't walk in Saturday afternoon in England and see someone from South America there. It's different, and the place is nice, and yeah, it's the vibe really that gets to me.
I'd probably say what you got to remember is that there's about 90 referees in this tournament. Some of the talent, it's come from around the world. Although the teams are here to play their football, it's really big for us to obviously improve, ready for the season. We've got some great teams, and this is a chance you don't normally get. Can't really ask for much more, to be honest.